Denise Strength and Sculpt workout. It's only 8 minutes. You can do it. And with no equipment, just use our muscles. We got this. Let's begin. Stretching side to side to tone our legs. Work on those arms. That's it. Head to toe workout. Sculpt and tone. That's it. And twist to the side. Get in a little bit of a warm up for those muscles. 640 muscles. We're going to target tone right now. Yes. We got 2 more. Last one. Good. Now let's begin with the abs. The core muscles. The most important because they're the center of your whole body. Your core. Your abs. Now this is working the lower part of your abs. So important. But you got to zip up those abs. Tense and tighten up and kind of brace in the abs. Then you'll feel it. Yes. Pull in the lower belly button right there, all the area of the lower tummy. Good. Hold it nice and tall. Great. 2 more. Taller. Last one. Now we do side crunches down and to the side. Great. Just go side to side. Really pull that navel towards your spine. And as you twist, really feel the size of your waistline. Now we're working the oblique muscles. That's it. They help your muscles nice and strong. Then your waistline will go in. Cinch in that waistline. 2 more. Come on. Work it. Last one. Good. Now hold it side to side here. Right now we're cinching in that waist. That's it. We're also using the legs, the arms. That's great. You can do it. 2 more, just like that. Come on, target tone the waistline. Okay, let's go the other side. Lift and pull across. Really feel your muscles. That's it. Beautiful. Tighten up, cinch in the waist. Blast some fat. Come on, you got this. 2 more. Last one. Okay, now we hold it right here for some leg exercises. Thinking about good posture, hips a little strong and straight, feet out there, and we're just gonna do some leg squats. Now we're working the hips, thighs, and buttocks. Notice my feet are straight forward or slightly turned out. Notice that the hips are going way back. The weight is through the heels. That's the key on this. That's how you're going to reshape that bottom half and make it your better half. That's it. Squeeze the butt on the top. Squeeze it. You got it. If you don't squeeze it, no one else will. Tighten up that tushy. Lift and tone. Sculpt and strengthen. Last one. Beautiful. Okay. Thinking about good posture here. We're going to start in a nice lunge position. And we're going to go down and straight back up. Really think about good posture. Your back is straight and strong. Your stomach is in. And tighten up that tushy back here. In the back of those legs. There you go. Good. You're now lengthening through the thighs, which is so good. Strengthening through the legs. We got 1 more. And switch. Let's go to the other side. Legs apart, down, and stretch back up. Again, the weight should be through the heel of that front foot. Push through it. Keeping your back strong and straight. Are your abs pulled in? Come on, brace those abs. Engage your abdominals, your core muscles. You got this. We got 2 more. Slow and steady. That's it. Last one. Beautiful. Okay, stand in the back of your mat. Stretch your arms up and dive down. Walking your fingertips all the way up to a plank position. Legs slightly apart. Hold the plank right here. Tummy's tight. Squeeze the buttock muscles. Firm thighs so your quadriceps are up and lifted. Hold the plank. Beautiful. Hold it. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Strong abs, strong arms, strong legs. Beautiful. And now place your knees down on the ground. And we're going to do some push-ups. But a little more tricep push-ups. So your elbows will go out to the back, out to the sides, out to the back. Notice my feet are flat. Very important. Don't do it like this. That could hurt your knees. Place your knees and your feet down. For those of you that are advanced, get up on your toes. That's it. We got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Good. You got it. Inhale and exhale. We now need to go all the way down to the elbows and hold the low hover plank. Hold it right here. Squeeze the buttocks. Squeeze the tushy. Squeeze the legs together. Hold it. Tight, 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 tight. Come all the way back up and back down. Try to keep your abs tight. Use your arms. This is a great exercise. Total body sculpt. One more. Good. Come all the way up. Hold it up here and pull your belly button in and release. In and release. We got 2 more. Last one. Okay. Let's come all the way down to the ground. And we're going to now work on that rear view. The back of our legs and the buttocks. Relax your body. Lift your hips up. Hold in a bridge. Right now, we're target toning and sculpting the legs and the buttocks. Lift up, lower down. Lift up, lower down. 2 more. Just squeeze up and release. Last one, squeeze up. Hold it up. Now rock those hips. Rock the hips. Now you're really firming the back of your legs and the buttocks. Good. With no pressure to the joints. You're doing good. Just do what you can. Twist your hips. Great for the core. Great for your buttocks. Great for the back of your thighs. We all need the strength in our lower body. 2 more. Last one. Good. Now bring your knees to your chest. Lift your head and chest forward. Hold yourself right here and just baby taps. We're now target toning the tummy, the lower abs, the area most of us need extra support and extra strength. That's it. Just tap, tap, very easy. For those of you that this hurts your neck, just relax your neck and continue with the leg motion because it works. But keep your back flat. Really press the small of the back into the mat. We have 2 more. 1 more. And release. And rock yourself all the way up. Let me see your beautiful smiling face. Taking a deep cleansing breath. Bring it in. And out. That's it. Gorgeous. Let's stretch to the side. Good. And to the other side. You're doing great. That's it. And reach all the way up, 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 up. Straighten the spine. Lift up, up, and to the side. And to the other side. Work your waistline. Great stretch for your back. And relax. And there you did a beautiful sculpt and strength workout. You did it. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com, sign up for your free trial now.